Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. While we're looking at VIX cash, it's ticking lower today, right around 21.5 as the SPX is rebounding on the heels of some data points this morning. SPX pushing up towards the top end of the recent range, right around 38.70, and the VIX is at the low end of the recent range, right around 21.5. Now, when you look at the range over the past month, really 21 to 23 is the general range. We've had a few outside days, but by and large, that has been the range for the VIX cash over the past month. Looking at realized volatility, 10-day realized volatility down 3 vol points from 21 to 18. 30-day realized volatility unchanged for a second week now at 19. At the money straddle on the SPX, looking 30 days out, implied vol level of 20, and that's unchanged from last week, so a little change there week over week. Now, there is a big change in the VIX futures today. We're seeing them drop with the cash currently. VIX futures down about 60 cents across the board. The roll market between January and February holding steady at 85 cents a positive roll. However, the curve is shifting lower, and contango continues to be recognized or realized across the entire curve going into next year. Looking at activity in the VIX options, we're looking at a lot of action in January puts. So looking at the January 20 and 22 lines trading actively in the put side, a 1x2 looks like it traded 9,500 by 19,000 times. Also, January calls, January 70 calls traded 23,000 times for 2 cents. Moving into February puts active between 22 and 25 lines, and the February calls are also very active today between the 22 and 30 lines today. Looking at next week, several things to influence the vol structure. Certainly, Fed speak continues to influence the markets. We'll also have some data points next week, highlighted by CPI on Thursday. And then we have earnings, starting with the banks on Friday. So all those things will factor into the pricing structure, as well as momentum in the SPX.